Jeez, this guy's panels look so good. They're all uniformed. They're all custom. Let me see if they're clickable. Are they clickable? They're clickable? Look at that. I'm going to help you make some just like it. Let's go. So first, we're going to go to the App Store and type Phonto. Just like this, search it, top one. I already have it downloaded, so mine says open. We're going to open the app and download it. We're going to go to plain images. Pick whatever one you would like the best. Some of these are locked because you have to purchase the pro version of the app, but there's a ton of them that are for free. So if you don't see something you like, you can always just go to Google, look up copyright-free backgrounds, and find one that you like. Change the dimensions to 1200 and 480, because those are Twitch panel dimensions, and click use. From there, we're going to start customizing this to our liking. So from here, bottom left, we're going to click on Add Image, and I'm just going to pick two cutouts that I have on my logo, just to play around with the panel today. The first one's going to be of Baby David, my son that I stream with, and I'm going to take that image, I'm going to make it a little bigger, and I'm just going to drag it to the side just for now. I'm going to now go back and get the image of myself as a cartoon and put it on the other side, try to make it as equal as possible. Again, I am just kind of playing around with this stuff. When I made this clip, I had no idea how I was going to design this panel for this video. That tells you how easy it is and how creative you can be when it comes to it. Now we're going to add some text. Tap anywhere in the black, add text, and type in whatever panel you're going to use. For today, I used Instagram just for the example's sake. You can literally just with your finger drag Instagram wherever you want on the screen inside of your panel, or you can use the arrows to make little micro adjustments to it. I realized I wanted Instagram to be a little bigger, which required the Baby David and myself cartoon to be a little bigger, so I'm just sizing those right now and putting them where I want them to be. Now I'm sizing myself to be a little bigger, and now we're going to move on to the font and the styles that we can use inside of the font. So now we're going to make the text red, just because that's what I want, and you can put whatever color you like. Then I'm going to stroke, putting black, and putting the width a little bigger just so the font pops out a little bit. Now I'm going to go to styles in the top right, shadow, black, and the one all the way to the right to add that shadow that you're seeing right now to the font. So now above Instagram, I felt like there was too much dead space, so I just added a text and I put follow us on and sized it perfectly to fit right above Instagram. So now all I did was make sure the font matched Instagram's font and make sure follow us on was centered to the panel, and that was it. And now I'm ready to export my panel. Bottom right, we're gonna go to share, email, and just email it to yourself. So now that we have the image already saved, we're gonna go to our email and download it. It'll be on our computer. We go to our homepage on Twitch, about, and let me just show y'all here. So we're on about. We're gonna click this little widget right here, edit panels, and we're just gonna add one. So I click the plus, add text or image panel. From here I can add image, upload the image, which here's my one that's downloaded. I can drag this to show the entire image, and done. I can copy and paste my Instagram link here and press submit. Once that little spin wheel is done, I go back to the top and re-click edit panels, and look at it, it's right there. Follow us on Instagram. So this is the panel that I made just right now. I hope that video helped you, and do me a favor, if you're somebody that takes this video, you watch it, you make custom panels, show me them by just dropping your link in the comments. If you drop your link, I'll click the link, I'll look at your profile, and I'll get to see what you made because of this video. If you guys have any more questions about streaming, please do me a favor, click on that playlist over there, or if it's over there, I don't know where I'm going to put them. They're somewhere around me. They're going to be. Click it, enjoy it, like, comment, subscribe, pretty please. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.